Damn, that's a lot. Shit.
She gone, you on.
Hello, welcome to Cancun. We're going to the Dreams Jane Puerto Morelos, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tina. Happy birthday to you. Bravo, congratulations.
Gracias. Shit, it looks scary up close. I don't want to irritate him.
The light's right here.
I got a baby to go home to. If it's one by your leg.
Yeah, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still.
Don't choke.
Yo, yo.
Oh. Damn, that's a lot. Shit.
Drink it up, drink it up.
I'll take that.
Don't choke.
Come on now.
Come on, look how you doing it. Come on, man, girl.
Oh.
Yeah, girl.
Yes, that was so much.
Don't choke me. Put your hand down. Put your hand down now.
I don't want to talk about apples up so she can't swallow you.
y'all can't even hear me. But we're about to get a deep tissue massage. And I'm so excited. I'm low-key sore. We've been doing a lot of walking. My shins have been hurting.
It's been a good amount.
Yeah, okay, so it's not just me. Yeah, last night we did a lot of walking when we went out. I think I got footage of some of, I really didn't record in the club though. None of them. I got some for you, but we bar hop. Yeah, we did a lot of bar hopping. So I'm really excited to get this done. And yeah. We're going to a steam room. I just got done in the spa. I feel amazing. We did the hydrotherapy, and I'll explain all that probably in another video when I get done. Then I'm about to go get dressed. We have a long day ahead of us.
How we get down?
That's what I'm saying. I'm like, these stairs kicking my ass.
Yeah, they really are.
I'm like pass out.
Just a break. You want to take a little break for a minute? Or you want to
I want to go. I'm going to go down.
We're tapping out too. We're tapping out. It's a cart that's gonna drive us back.
You want to tell a bitch?
You got the firm bank.
Yeah, exactly. Come on, baby, you got it.
I should just jump myself.
Yeah,
Not, don't put your head on. You go ahead. This I had to do in the pool at the spa day. It's not that bad. Yeah, let me not speak too soon. Nah, my arm went in. I tried to put my hand on something. Yeah, baby. Yeah. It's at your ribs?
Yeah.
Oh, this is that part, babe. Might as well dunk it.
Yeah.
What does that say? Circulate. I've been trying to catch it for a minute, you
Finally got up here, man. It's all we in Mario Kart.
for real.
In the water.
Trying to catch up. See, gone, you on. I'm trying to figure out when it's going to end.
Yeah, me too, man.
Yeah, I'm just right behind her. She gone. I feel like we close. It's almost over. We're on the left side.
I could do that.
Definitely be saying that.
What's that? Not Wipeout, but what's the extreme one?
Yeah, that's the one, Ninja Wipeout.
Remember, I was supposed to be on those MTV and challenges and the
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. You on it now?
Yeah.
Another zip line?
Oh, wow.
What we doing here? What is that?
Water slide.
Oh.
Come in the front.
I probably should be in the front though.
You be in the front.
Oh shit, y'all hold on to me? Oh shit! Oh shit! Man, that was crazy. I'll do that again.
Alright, y'all, we just did ATVs. Yeah, my husband went and hit somebody in front of us. But I think we're about to do the rafting. The cave water was pretty cold, so I'm nervous to see just how cold this is gonna be. Because I just got dry. Well, my pants are still a little damp, but yeah, we're about to go to the rafting. So I can hear the zip lines above us. See us later. we got around it. I said, I'm glad we got around it.
What's up, man? We back, man. What's up, bro?
They could have gave us a little propeller on the boat.
You go the opposite way.
We're about to be next to y'all.
Yeah, we the fast one.
We had somebody in between us that we was trying to get around because they kept stopping.
You not helping. Let me push on.
Yeah, push off on the rocks. It makes it so much easier. Any chance you get, just push off on them. What was that? Babe, what you just do?
What? I'm ready to get in this water. I'm telling you, this one.
Hold on, I'm about to stop my camera.
You don't know what's down there. It's dark as shit.
But we found that rope. We got to pull it.
Yeah, there's a rope
Oh, so there was a rope.
at the end, towards the end.
Oh, he tired.
Oh, yeah. I'm good time.
Jeff came out cussing.
There's some water right here too.
That's it for me.
Oh, I wish I had a water bottle.
That's it for me.
Damn.
Water me. Water me.
All right, now.
Ain't no joke.
That wasn't
I knew. As soon as I got where I got, I was like, yeah, I can't do this.
I could have did that other one.
The long one.